The practice of meditation creates a beautiful transformation. The practice of meditation creates a beautiful transformation. Everybody wants to be happy, but nobody knows how to do it without creating future sufferings. Because of delusions and uncontrolled mind, they create countless sufferings for the future lives to come without realizing it. To transform our lives, we need to learn to recognize those delusions. We need to learn to let go of those delusions. We need to learn how to control our minds. And to be happy, we need to wish everybody else to be happy. Practice metta meditation on universal love. It will transform your mind and your body, and your spirit will have more power. You'll have more energy. You have spiritual protection. Practicing letting go and achieving success will free your life, and it will free your mind. It will allow you to fill it with joy and happiness. But remember the most important rule. Let all the joy and happiness to reach all other beings. With a disciplined mind, you should watch over your feelings and emotions and learn how to replace those emotions. The best way to do it is with a prayer. When we find peace and equanimity, we should remember those feelings, to fall back on them. Feelings of peace and equanimity are the real treasure, because they come from the wisdom. When they're free from hatred, when they're pure, created of love, without attachments. This is the real treasure to experience. This is the heavenly experience. Having full understanding of karma will allow us to prevent our future sufferings as well. It is the law of cause and effect that rules this world. And another rule of this world is impermanence, because there is nothing permanent. Everything transforms. Everything changes. We should use this opportunity to work it for us as we practice meditation and transformation. That's the beautiful part of it. When things that we love are gone and disappear, those things that we attach to, we feel sad and upset, sometimes feel angry, and maybe jealous to other people who still have those things. It's those things that are creating our future sufferings. It's those things that we have to be free from. All things that come and go are because of the karma that was created long ago. So at all times we should have happy and relaxed mind, because only that way we can achieve success of meditation and living a life in peace. As we practice love and wisdom, we will be able to transform this world, as well as our lives first, and then we'll be able to transform this world. It is a blessing to be able to do so. And karma and blessing, they come together. Always. Only by letting go of self-interest and ego, we will be able to benefit ourselves and people around us. It is a barrier between us and the divine power.
The practice of meditation creates a beautiful transformation. Everybody wants to be happy, but nobody knows how to do it without creating future sufferings. Because of delusions and uncontrolled mind, they create countless sufferings for the future lives to come. Because of delusions and uncontrolled mind, they create countless sufferings for the future lives to come.
Because of delusions and uncontrolled mind, they create countless sufferings for the future lives to come. To have successful meditation and transformation of our life, we should remember there is no bad people. There are people who are lost, and they don't understand there will be consequences for their actions. Some people rely on luck, and they don't believe in the law of karma, and that can be considered stupid. But they are not bad people. They are people who are committing bad karma, and they will receive suffering in the future lives. But develop the sincere feelings of compassion and love to those people. If to consider past lives, all these people, they were relatives. They were brothers and sisters. They were mothers and fathers. We should share this love between all people. all beings, to create this better world for the stupid actions of the past as well. How our actions could have been bringing anything good when we had no idea about karma, about consequences, about what is the pure thought and what is the negative thought. All these things, they have to be acknowledged and honestly be looked at, reflected through the meditation as a mirror into one's soul and the mind. Now is a chance to learn to discipline a mind and to be watchful over what's happening with the feelings and our emotions, where the roots of those feelings and emotions are coming from. This is all the teachings of Buddha Shakyamuni and his advice to engage in Mahayana practice for the benefit of all the beings of all 6 realms. Let all the beings be free from sufferings, promptly protected and liberated from the sufferings in this life and in all next come.